I'm Ross. Welcome back to the channel. I love the Toronto Timepiece Show series. And I mean, the newest edition here in Montreal was fabulous. And wow, it was awesome to meet so many friendly people, so many great brands, having hands-on experiences with watches I've never even had the opportunity to see in the flesh before. And it was great. This one, though, we were right in the backyard for HERON Watch Company, and I had the opportunity to get hands-on with the Marinor diver. It was fantastic. I had no idea they had a showroom there as well, but I didn't get a chance to get there. But at least I had the opportunity to hold one of the watches in the flesh and spend some time with it. It was awesome. Pleasure meeting you there, Adam. It was awesome to meet you, and you shared some insights there with the show as well. I was able to touch base with you and see how things were going, and it was fabulous. It was awesome. What a great experience. Hands-on. I got two designs. The Marinor diver. Now, I've also reviewed the Mirabelle GMT in the past on the channel. Maybe I'll link that one at the end of the video so you can check that out at your leisure. Today's video is sponsored by Daily Watch. Do me a favor, check them out at dailywatch.com. If you're looking for accessories for watches, if you're a collector, enthusiast, whatever it might be, just a regular person, even looking for gift ideas, go to the website, check them out. You can get anything from luxury watch cleaning supplies. You can get personalized cases where you can get your name embossed into them with this 3-watch roll like this. They also have hexagon cases for like 6 watches that you can carry. Just like that. Even travel solutions. Maybe you want to take 2 watches on the road for you, or on a flight, or wherever you might be going. If you're also looking for things like watch stands, where's the stand? I have the robot stand right here. Things like that, right? Great little tiny accessories. Check them out online. Do what you can. But thanks to Daily Watch for sponsoring this video. I appreciate all the support. Now back to the video. I hope you're enjoying it. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate it. I'm Ross. If you're new to the channel, my wrists are 7 1/4 inches, and hopefully I can give you some images to allow you to make a good decision for yourself in case you have an interest in some of these designs. So not a full review per se, but definitely a really good insight and hands-on. This is not a paid review. My opinions are my own, of course. HERON doesn't pay me or doesn't contribute in any way to me. And of course, I don't have any of the watches. They are still with HERON. So it's more of an insightful hands-on with these 2 designs. First, we've got the Gilt Black, and then we have the Caribbean Blue. Good looking functional watches, and the specs, they are going to suit a wide range of people here, including you and me. So we're looking at a 39mm brushed stainless steel case system with 1200 HV hardness, which is great. That means it's going to be durable and be able to be corrosive resistant to most salty water and water situations. It has crown guards built into this case design, and this is the marine grade steel that they're building here with this 316L stainless steel. You have that steel crown and a gear design, and it's easy to operate there with the logo on the face with what looks like that ship's wheel on the face. Nice edge work too down to the case sides there at the lug. Well-built system to withstand the daily wear, not just the corrosion resistance but from the sea, but also from all the other elements. You have a 20mm lug here and a 46mm lug to lug, so it's not across your wrist too far. It's actually really reasonable. An overall thickness of 12.2mm, so that's great. Anything under 13 nowadays for a dive watch is pretty good. Now we have box sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on top. Not to mention the bezel is sapphire as well with a unidirectional 120 click movement. Really good. Simply marked and numbered in the quarter hours with strokes at the 5-minute increments all the way around to that triangular primary indicator position. Reminds me of the Blancpain bezel, to be honest. Now I love it that it's rounded off with the sapphire and yet still easy to operate. And speaking of vintage influence, you can see the dive watches from the 1950s and 60s in the influence of this overall design for the Marinor. It's pretty special. And I actually checked online there, and you can see the influence shot, and I'll post that for you to take a look there. But some of the most famous brands for dive watchmaking out there, like Omega and Rolex and the like, and Blancpain, for example. So it was pretty awesome to see that. And when you see those design cues coming out in a very contemporary new dive watch, still with the vintage tones and vibes, especially with the black gilt design, that's just special. That's awesome. Now a screw down case back plate with the watch info around the perimeter and the Marinor in the center. A salute to diving and seafaring. 250 meter water resistance. You and I may never go down that deep, but you know, it's always special to know that the watch can do it. It's impressive. Now the dial here, the classic HERON North Star logo there at the 12 stands out right away. A dive watch function and maritime symbolism, they all come together with the Marinor. I'm loving it. HERON watches, they know what they're doing. They've executed a good design here, a good product, and it's at an affordable price. These dials look gorgeous, and having options for a wide range of people is excellent. I like both of these colorways, yet there's still more, like a darker blue tone, I believe it is. And so the gilt black dial with that milky off-white patina colored looking shaped markers, they're lume filled as well and framed out all the way around to the North Star. You have HERON sign there at the 12 and Marinor 250 at the 6. Broad arrow, hour hand, baton style, minute hand, large lollipop, lume tip, seconds hand. All of the stuff just works, right? With that minute track at the end, out towards the perimeter, looks really sharp. And everything on top of this black backdrop just pops with great contrast. And low light is no concern for the Superluminova C3. Now the movement is the Automatic Movement 9000 series caliber 9039, a 3-hand powerhouse. And I believe that one's looking at around 48-hour power reserve. Now the strap with this one, we have the bracelet design with the stainless steel bracelet 3-link, smooth brushed finish, nice system here. It looks really clean and it really suits the overall aesthetic with that vintage vibe. Something you can get away with wearing all day. It's that comfortable. And the overall weight, I didn't get it, but it is great. It's not over the top. You barely know the watch is there. Now, it does have quick release, dual pin system, so strap changes are going to be easy and pretty efficient. And you have no concerns if you want to swap it out for a leather, rubber, or NATO design. And the star of the design, too, is also a micro adjustment on the fly that you can have for this design with that bracelet. Who doesn't love that? Now, the cost here, this is where the star shines, right? $880 Canadian, HERONwatches.com, or visit their showroom in Montreal. I'll pop the post down there for you on Ferrier Street in Montreal. If you're going to go get it, hopefully these images have helped you. I know you're going to love it. What's to hate? Everything is just there. Great size. So many people are going to be able to enjoy this thing. I like it. My two favorite colors, like I mentioned, are the black, the gilt black, and the Caribbean blue. But it's close. It's close. I have to admit. The build quality, the execution, the attention to detail, visibility, the lume. I mean, for these divers, is just all great. With all the protections for your water sources, you know what? You're going to be able to go from the beach to the boardroom. The world is your playground, right? And it's fit for any number of scenarios. You can get out of the water, put your surfboard in the back of the truck, go get changed, get dressed, and take it out to dinner, and no one's the wiser, all while having the same watch on the wrist. Versatility. Check it out. I think the Marinor is going to speak to you. See you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Ross.